Hello guys, how are you doing all? I hope you're all fine. Today we are going to move ahead from our previous topic. And now what we are going to learn today is it's related to elementary programming. It's something like whenever we are going to write our first program, let's say in writing just a simple program, what it involves? It involves a designing strategy, okay, a strategy for solving the problem and then using a programming language to implement that strategy. That is the logic for solving any problem, any programming problem, okay. So if we are going to, let's say, consider a simple problem of computing the area of the circle, okay, like that, area of the circle, okay. Now, how we are going to write the program to solve the problem? Okay, that's the question. How we are going to write the program to solve area of the circle? Okay. So, writing a program involves a designing algorithms, okay, and translating algorithms into programming instructions. That's the most important thing. If we call them as instructions or also as codes. So an algorithm describes how a program is solved by listing the action that need to be taken and the order of the execution. Okay. So algorithm just it can be described as the natural languages or in just pseudocode. Okay. That is something called as natural language mixed with some programming code. Okay. So the algorithm for calculating the area of the circle. Okay. Algorithm for calculating the area of the circle is that is going to be first thing is what we need to do is read the circle radius. Okay, we will read the circle radius. Okay, how much is the radius? Second thing that we need to do is we need to use some formula. Okay, the formula is going to be pretty simple. As you all know, area is equal to radius times radius times pi. Okay, the last thing that we need to do here into just to solve the problem like that is to display the result. Okay, these are the things that we are going to do in this session. Okay, now I'm going to convert all of this thing. This is just a pseudocode that I just wrote in less than a minute, and now I'm going to convert this pseudocode into an actual executable Java program. Okay, so our name of the class is just elementary programming, but we can describe it as an area of a circle. Okay, that's what we are going to do. First thing is we need to declare the radius and declare the area. Okay, all we are going to do that inside main method, because main method is the mandatory part of every Java program. Okay, so main, then I'm going to use this string just like that and arguments. Okay, declaring the data type of the variables that we are going to use, radius, okay, and double area, just like that. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is we need to assign a radius. How we are going to assign the radius is pretty simple. Radius is equal to, let's say, 20. Now compute the area. Okay, so area is equal to radius times pi. So we know the value of pi is 3.14159. Okay, so that's what we are going to use. And the third step is just simply display the result. Okay, so that is going to be done with the help of sout. That's the shortcut of the print line. Okay, and I'm going to say the area for the circle of radius. Let's say I'm going to take the input of the radius is just excuse me for a while, there you go, plus area. Okay, so what this program is going to do is it's simply going to take the radius here, the value of the radius, 2 times, and multiply it with the value of pi. Okay, so if I'm going to run the program, it is going to tell us what is going to be the result of this program. It's just compiling. Okay, there you go. It says the area for the radius or the circle of radius. Okay, sorry, that's a mistake here. It should be off. Okay, so the area for the circle of radius 20 is 1256. Okay, now you might have noticed that we used here value as 20, here it is 20.0. that's just because of this data type double. All the double values, they contain a decimal point like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video for today, and I'm going to see you guys pretty much soon. Till then, take care and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.